everybody, we're having fun here at Ypao Beach.
We love Christmas break. It's the best.
It's the last day of Christmas break.
My tears because I'm in the water.
That's Kelly and Crystal over there. Let's go underwater and check it out, girls.
This masked bannerfish looked like it was a pet. I think it had been used to being fed by other people that swim out here at Ypao Beach in Tumon Bay. It's a nice marine preserve, so all the fish are protected. So he just followed me around, and when I stuck out my fingers, he wanted to bite it. He thought they were food. So I just had fun with that little fish for a while. They don't have teeth, so he's just gumming me to death. Fun time. So the next couple of minutes are playing with this fish, and then we go on to a cool smiling pufferfish. Keep watching for that and other cool things. Well, now our little friend invited his little friend also over. So now there are two masked bannerfish, and they're both little pets. So I thought they were pretty cute. And oops, I need some new gloves. All right, let's enjoy some more cool ocean life. Well, I dove down and looked under this ledge of rock, and guess what I saw? A nice 2-foot long porcupine pufferfish, and of course I am upside down looking at it, so he's upside down. So these clips I show, he's upside down on all of them, and then at the end I will show you the same clips but right side up. So that's pretty cool. And then be watching because he smiles at me. At least he looks like he's smiling at me. So I saw all this white coral up on top of the live coral, and I was wondering if there was an octopus around, but no, there wasn't. But something flipped those white corals up on top of that coral, so I don't know if it was a stingray or what. And now for some pufferfish. I saw these white rocks circled around this hole, and I thought for sure when I would peek in there would be an octopus, but there wasn't. Please join me in the next video I have up here at the end. Just push on the picture of it and it'll take you straight to that video. Also, please subscribe if you'd like to see more of these and be alerted to them each time they're put up on YouTube. Just press the picture of my face and you can subscribe to my channel, Seize the Day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.